Hello guys, and today we were learning about web development. What is web development and how can we develop on our websites? So let's begin. Web development is the work involved in developing a website for the internet or intranet. Web development is basically making a website for the internet or a private intranet, which is a private network like a local network that you can have a private as if you want to make a website only accessible to a few people, you can do that on intranet. Web development can range from developing a single static page or plain text to complex web application, electronic businesses and social network services. So basically in web development can be like a small static page, like a simple page with nothing but a plain text, like you just put a hello world on it, to the very complex web applications, like you can play flash games online, you can play HTML5 games online, which is a web application, and electronic businesses like e-commerce website that are all made using web development, and social network services like Facebook and Twitter. A more comprehensive list of tasks to which web development commonly refers may include web engineering, web design, web content development, content liaison, client-side, server-side scripting, web server, and network security. So what is web engineering? Web engineering is making the whole code of the website, writing it and making sure it works. Web design is the front-end worker. Web engineering is back-end, which deals with all the coding of the website. And web design deals with all the front end of the website and deals all the how the website will look like. Web content development will work on the content that is on the website. Client side, server side scripting is the person who will do the server scripting, like we will make a server which can host the website. Web server, which is very much needed to host the website, and the network security configuration, because without network security configuration our website will be invulnerable to the hackers and invulnerable to other attackers who can easily attack and exploit our website and tamper with it. And e-commerce development, like if you want to make an e-commerce website, you can do that as well. Among web professionals, web development usually refers to the main non-design aspect of building websites, for writing markup and coding. Like if web development is basically just making the writing the code of the website, like if you are making a website in WordPress or like HTML5 or JavaScript, the backend, the web development refers to the back end of the website, which is just the coding and writing the markup of the website. Web development may use content management system CMS to make content changes easier, available with basic technical skills. So here you can see the HTML tag that we add in the website before we write the code and all that, divider and all the thing. For larger organizations and businesses, web development teams can consist of hundreds of people and follow standards like agile methodologies while developing websites. Smaller organizations may only require a single permanent or contracting developer or secondary assignment to related job positions such as graphic designer or information technician. So this is self-explanatory. Larger organization business lose a ton of people for their website, and small businesses just use like a few, one or two people who can help to make a website good and up and running and help make sure the website gets a lot of traffic. So next, such as or secondary related to graphic design and information system technician. Web development may be collaborative effort between departments rather than domain of a designated department. There are three kinds of web developer specialization: front-end developer, back-end, and full-stack developer. Front-end developer writes the code for the whole design of the website, how it would look like. Back-end is the how the whole code of the website and how it will function. Full stack can do the both. Front-end developer is responsible for the behavior and visual of the in the user browser, while backend will deal with the server, like how it acts with the contact with the server and works. So, or the here. Since the commercialization of web with Tim Berners-Lee, who is the founder of World Wide Web at Sun, the industry has boomed and has become one of the most used technologies ever. Like after the formation of World Wide Web at CERN, this website industry has been going broader and broader, and a lot of people are making their own websites for anything ranging from their portfolio to their big e-commerce website like Amazon and Alibaba. So that's it, and goodbye.